No, kasi ako, I would gladly say who I want to guest on the show.
Who do you want to guest on the show?
Okay. What about you?
Me, Enrique Iglesias. Ay.
Wow.
Oh, hindi ako Madonna.
Wow.
Sige. Andun na rin lang tayo.
Ayos sa Enrique Iglesias.
Wow. Ang taas ng lipad
Ang bata. At saka ang bata ng choice. Wow.
Enrique Iglesias.
Enrique Iglesias.
Hindi, okay naman yun. Bata naman si Enrique
Hill?
Iglesias.
Sino ba?
Ay, Enrique Hill.
That's
Enrique
the one.
Hill.
Yeah, Enrique Hill is what I meant.
Enrique Iglesias music. Whoa.
Si Enrique. Wait, is he,
Alam mo, I was shooting for the stars, no, with the whole Solen, Raymond, Nicole, biglang, whoa, Enrique Iglesias. Tsaka parang out of, what?
What the heck?
Out of everyone. Like, you could have said, like, David Beckham or, I don't know.
No, because what
Chris
I meant was
Pine.
Enrique Hill.
is he related to Chocolate? Chocolate. Chocolate Hill. Is he... Mali.
Wait, speaking of, nasa na si Chocolate?
Is he... Huh?
Nasa na si Chocolate? Remember Chocolate? He's still here?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't hear.
Channel 2.
If he's related
ABS.
to
No, I mean the
Sherry?
Hills, like Sherry.
I don't think so.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Or
Isn't
Nikki.
he related to you?
Sort of. I think my mom's cousin is the sister of his mom. Something to that effect. I'll have to clarify it with my
So,
mom.
pag nakita natin si Enrique Hill, kunyari, pwede mo sabihin, hi, Hill.
Hello! Hello!
Ay, nako, you make my life a living hill. What the hell? But, yeah, actually, no? Si
Pwede.
Enrique Hill.
Right. Tita
Anyway.
Boy.
Okay, wait, here. The aunt of Enrique Hill is a very good friend of my mom. Parang kababata.
Okay.
It's one of those like parang tito-tita but
Yeah.
not
Not
actually
related.
related
Yung
to.
tito-tita na hindi mo na alam kung related ka kasi
Oo,
sobrang close
because
na
you're so close, you thought you were related but actually you're
That's
just good
nice.
friends.
That's nice.
Oh, I did that, but
Sino pa ba, Chico?
get him here if you're like super close
So,
pala.
sino pa gusto mong i-guess?
Yun na nga eh.